Gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Comrade! Labor right, them a go down, bong. Them a go down, bong. Them a go down. Is that? Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. We now vote for Labour. Orange we a come out in now. If you love the PNP, who no step out for Marky G. Jamaica just come along with we. People time come, people time come, people time is up.
Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight.
Yeah, I say that we are. Pledge your allegiance.
Who's gonna run this town tonight?
Yeah, I say that we are.
We gonna run this town.
Make the trumpets play. Make the trumpets play.
The ruling was made by a three-member panel of the Court of Appeal, and I just want to remind your listeners a little bit, because to understand where we are, we have to remember what it was at stake. The DPP, Miss Llewellyn, was supposed to retire in 2020 when she reached the age of 60. That's what the Constitution had said at the time. She asked for, and she got a 3-year extension. Before she came to the age of 63, she asked for another extension. She was told, no, the Constitution didn't allow it. So the government, I should say, at that point or a little later, had passed an amendment to the Constitution to raise the age of retirement for the DPP as well as the Auditor General from 60 to 65, which is the age that's now generally used in the public sector. But what that act also did was make provision for Ms. Llewellyn to elect to retire at any point after the age of 60. Now, the opposition objected to that because they said, hold on, the DPP has already got an extension. She should now be demitting office. And the Supreme Court ruled that the part of the act that raised the retirement age from 60 to 65 was fine. But they said Ms. Llewellyn, that's the Supreme Court, couldn't benefit from that because what the new legislation was doing was to essentially allow her to choose when to retire, when what the Constitution says is that that decision should be made by the leader of the opposition and the Prime Minister, and a recommendation from the Prime Minister to the Governor General. The Court of Appeal has now disagreed with the Supreme Court. They said yes, they agreed with the Supreme Court that the part of the act raising the retirement age is fine, but they disagreed with the Supreme Court that it doesn't apply to Ms. Llewellyn. They have said that the extension, the raised retirement age automatically applies to Ms. Llewellyn, and that is why she remains in office. It's a pretty detailed ruling. The press summary is out. We're waiting for the full ruling to go through it when we'll be able to tell you more, Shamela.
Government we are run down a Savlama hospital. Me can't believe say the government can't buy one machine to fix up people hip. Or fix up people down a hospital. For the 18th of October me down here all know. December 19, I know me can't, my foot can't fix. Me pay me money for do me surgery, I know we can't do. Every day machine broke down. I'm tired of them fooling this year. So who own of Sablama Hospital, who no need to fix the machine them down. I'm tired of them rubbish here.